Hey everyone! Welcome back to Russell's Recipe. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's sure to make your taste buds dance. Pork garlic. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this dish is simple, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. So, let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of pork, shoulder or tenderloin works great. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, diced or minced. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground black peppercorns. Fresh herbs like green onions or parsley for garnish. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's prepare the pork. Start by cutting the pork into bite-sized pieces. This will help it cook evenly and absorb all that garlicky goodness. Once that's done, season the pork with salt and pepper. Next, heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and saute for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Now, add the pork to the pan and cook until it's browned on all sides. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. If you find this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be informed when we post new videos. It would be great help for my small channel. Thank you. Once the pork is nicely browned, pour in the soy sauce. This will add a savory depth to our dish. Stir everything together and let it simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As our pork cooks, the aroma of garlic and spices is going to fill the entire kitchen, making your mouth water in anticipation. And when it's finally done, let me tell you, it's going to be a real showstopper. The pork is going to be so tender and juicy, with a flavor that's simply out of this world. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to make. And there you have it. Your pork garlic is ready to serve. You can enjoy it over rice, with a side of veggies, or even in a wrap. Don't forget to sprinkle some fresh herbs on top for that extra pop of flavor. To recap, to make this delicious pork garlic, you're going to need to follow these simple steps. First, cutting the pork into bite-sized pieces, then season the pork with salt and pepper. Second, saute your minced garlic for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Then, add the pork to the pan and cook until it's browned on all sides. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, pour in the soy sauce and stir everything together and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you make any changes to the recipe? And if you're looking for more delicious recipes, be sure to check out my other cooking videos for more ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.